2012 Dodge Ram 2500 4x4 with the 5.7 liter Hemi, fully serviced, needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically, in wonderful condition, super straight truck, rust-free Texas truck, full service records. As you can see, super straight tow package, rear parking sensors, sprayed bed liner. Tires are in good shape. Rust-free Texas truck. Running boards. No hail. Cloth interior, power windows, locks, mirrors, cruise control, 4x4. There's some toggle switches for some fog lights if you want to add them. No rips in the center console lid. 145,000 miles. Back seats are just as clean. Super clean vehicle for a Texas truck. You're not going to find a cleaner one. So a 2012 Dodge Ram with a 5.7 liter in it, 4x4 crew cab, 2500, needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically, full service records.